everyone, my name is ZPHS. I am studying in 7th class from ZPHS Girls Monthly. This is our science lab. Today's lab activity is reaction of acids with metal. What happened we see now. Materials required: hydrochloric acid, zinc pieces, matchsticks and test tube. I add hydrochloric acid into the test tube and I add zinc pieces into the test tube. Observing what happened, the gas is releasing. Now testing the releasing gas. Light a matchstick and introduce it into the test tube. It catches fire with a sound. Once again see that. It catches fire with a sound, so it is hydrogen gas. Conclusion: acids react with metal, give salt and hydrogen gas. Thank you one and all.